Hey everyone, this is Benjamin here from the African Geek, and you are welcome to this fantastic tutorial inside of Canva. In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to embed links into Canva. So if you are interested in how to do that, stay tuned and I will be right back after the intro. Alright, so here we are in Canva, but before we start doing it, you may be wondering why is it important to embed links in your PDFs inside of Canva. The thing is, when you are presenting some form of document to your clients, instead of adding links maybe to your payment gateway or to certain things you want them to go to, instead of having the links typed in your document, it's best to maybe create a button or just to say something like click here and embed the link in any text or any shape so that it's easier to keep your documents clean and presentable. So this is why it's important to do that. So let's see how we can do this in Canva. The first thing I'm going to do is to open a design I was working on, but I just decided to pause and make this video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to create a button, and I just press R on my keyboard and I will reduce it to something like this. Okay, and let's say with this, the main aim was to lead client to my YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do is to add some text and I would center it here. Then I can say visit, okay, or I can just say check out my YT channel. Let me just put it that way, okay, for the sake of this tutorial. But of course, that's not what I'm going to say if I'm actually going to present it to a client. Okay, so I present it here and I reduce the size of this. Okay, first of all, I group it first. Okay, then I almost missed that. So you have to group it first if you want to create something like a button. And once you do that, you select all and make sure to find this icon called link. So once you click on that, you can embed any link in at all. So I can just put in my YouTube channel link over here, which is youtube.com okay /African Geek. So this is what I have at the moment. Then I click on apply. Alright, and now this is a link. So another thing you can do is just to have a normal text and embed the links in the text. So I have this text here which says visit YouTube channel. Okay, and to embed the link in here, I can just come to this triple dot first of all and click on link, and we do the same thing. We embed the link here. So www.youtube.com /African Geek. Right, apply. Okay, but one thing you should also know is that Canva has a feature embedded in it where you can add links very easily if you do not want to use this method. So you can come down to more, okay, and in more you see this thing called embed. So there are several things over here where you can just select YouTube. Okay, so I don't know how, I haven't tried it before, but you can see you can post any video over here in your PDF. But let's see how it's going to work. So I will just open my browser and go into my YouTube channel, and maybe let me just copy the link of this. So get shareable link and come here in Canva and paste the link here. Now you just see add to design. Okay, so you can see what it's saying over here. So now how do we download this? So to make the links work, usually you have to download it in PDF. So I click on download and select PDF print, and I'll just simply select page 2 since I have all of these things. So I come to download and click on download again for my PDF to download. Okay, so now let's check out how everything is going to work in our PDF. Okay, so I go back into my my file explorer and I have the link over here. Sorry, the PDF, not the link. Okay, then I open it and this is how everything is going to look like. So this is just coming as an image. So maybe what I should do is to test everything out. Okay, but with this video I just don't know how it's going to work out. So I can just click on this. I can right click and open a new tab. Also right click, since if it's an active link, we'll see it would work. So you can see that the link is actually working, and with this actually is just here as an image. So this is the thing I'm going to do. I'll investigate maybe so I'll investigate and see how to make this work. Okay, and I believe once I do that, I'll make a separate video on that. But okay, so if I click on this, I think I made a mistake with the link over here, so actually opening my mail. So let's go back into Canva to see what I did here. So I click on this, and to edit the link, I come and click on link over here, and yes, you can see I made a mistake over here. So I take this out, and that's how to edit your link. Okay, so I'm seeing something like mail to. Okay, so I can take this out, and that's what you can do if you want to add an email. Maybe you want your client or your customers to click on a certain button in your PDF, and it sends so that they can be able to send you an email. You just have to do mail to. Okay, then add a colon, and you can just add your email address. So I can just say Geek Africans, okay, at gmail.com. Okay, then apply. So once you do this, it would actually be a mailing link. If they click on it, it will open their emails, then they can send you a straight email. So that's how everything would be working when you do that. So I believe even though this video wasn't structured well, you're able to still learn what I had in mind, and that was to embed links in Canva. But always remember to use this when you are presenting documents to client, and there are some links you want them to visit. So yeah, that's all for now. The name is Benjamin, and always remember, there is no limit to creativity. I will see you in my next video.